Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Alex. What's your name?
My name is Sophie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Sophie, where are you from?
I'm from Russia. What about you?
I am from Spain.
Where do you live?
I live in Barcelona. And you?
I live in Moscow.
How old are you?
I'm 23 years old. You?
I'm 24 years old. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I work in a bakery.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger brother. What about you?
I have two brothers.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What's your favorite food?
I love seafood. What's yours?
I really like pasta.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat, do you?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy classical music.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak Russian and English. What about you?
I can speak Spanish, English and little bit of Arabic.
What is your favorite season?
I like summer. What about you?
I prefer spring.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like snowboarding. Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Interstellar. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook Indian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy sketching and gardening.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be an animator. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
My favorite color is blue.
It was really nice talking to you, Sophie.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Alex. Maybe we will meet again.
I hope so. Have a great day, Sophie.
You too, Alex. Bye.
Bye.